Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Alpella. If you're new to my channel, I would like to say a very big welcome to you. This is Alpella UPL Teaching and Training Academy. Today I have an interesting online job for us. We're going to go through the process together, and please click the link below to do your sign up. That also have my referral code. Please kindly use my referral code so that you can use that to tell me thank you. Make sure you watch step by step to the end so that you will not make mistake. Okay? So the first thing we'll be looking at here is how to put our email or your username and then a password. But because this is login, that means it's for people that already have signed up. So because you are new, what you have to do is to click on create account. So when you click on create account, then you fill everything. So let's start. So the first thing, when you click on create an account, is going to open up this way for you. Now, what do? You have to put in your first name, your last name, your username, your gender, your email, the referral code. So the referral code that you're going to get from me, you're going to put it in here. Okay, and it is below the video. So just click on there. That's where you can click on your sign up and the referral code is there. Okay, so if you click on it, it may take you directly, or you can copy the referral code and put it in the referral code section. Then you create a password, you confirm your password, and then you click on sign up. So let's go. But there is something I noticed and I want to bring it to our notice. It says creating multiple accounts is highly prohibited. One account per person. So please do not create more than one account, okay? So that your account will not be banned. All right? Let's continue the training. So the moment you fill in everything they need you to fill in, you're going to click on sign up. So when you click on sign up, it will show you that activation code has been sent to your email. So you have to check your email. Let's continue the training. So what we're going to do now is to go over to our email and get the code. So the moment you put in your activation code, it's going to tell you you have successfully activated your account. It will tell you to enter your dashboard and you're going to see welcome, with your name. All right. So let's check out what this platform has for us. Okay. Now, if you check this, you're going to see it says hire many random workers. So do you need 500 likes or 300 followers, 250 signups? You can run a small job and ask workers to like your Facebook post, watch a video, subscribe to your YouTube channel, retweet, follow, install Android app, and much more. Okay, so perform simple and small task. So this is very good for if you're an owner of a business or you do things for people online. You can also use this as a job. Go to people's platform, tell them I can help you get sign-ups, I can help you do this, I can help you do that. They pay you, then you come in here and give the jobs to these people and they do that job for you and you get paid by paying them and also paying the person that gave you money to do the same. Okay, so this is also good for entrepreneurs. It's also good for those of you saying I need a daily job. Then it's also good for those people saying I would like to perform small tasks, I would like to work, I don't want to send people to do jobs for me, I want to be the one working. This platform as well is for you. Okay, so let's move on. So the moment you scroll down from here, you're going to see your dashboard. So it will show you your balance, how much you have made, the jobs you have completed, pending balance, pending task, jobs posted, and referral. So when you refer people, they also pay you for referring people. So I think this is a very amazing platform so far, but let's go on. Let's see everything the platform has to offer. So if you click on profile, it's going to show you everything about your profile, and it's also going to show you your referral code. So you can copy your referral code and also distribute it to people to sign up, and you also get paid for people using your referral code. Okay. So the next one we'll be looking at is the available jobs. So when we click on it, it's going to show us the available jobs we have in this platform. Now, if you check here, you're going to see available jobs. So these are jobs that you can do and get paid. This one you can see 12 naira, 50 kobo, WhatsApp training, 11 naira, 20 kobo, WhatsApp get #100 naira airtime. You can see jobs. These are jobs. All these are jobs. Okay. And as you do it, you get paid. As you do it, you get paid. So if I'm you, I'm going to go through all these jobs and start picking the one I would like to do. So you can't complain that there are no jobs. You can see that it has a lot of jobs. Okay. So if you go to this place called account, you can see my jobs, task completed, messages, reports, and your referral. Okay, so the wallet, you can see that your wallet is, when you click on it, you can see it shows work fund. Okay, so I'm seeing work funds. I'm seeing 00 plus 500. You can see your tax earnings, referral, pending funds, total funds, okay, total earnings, total referral bonuses. So for me, I think you should go all the way. All right, go all the way. Then if you want to post a job, you just click here and you post a job. So go ahead and do this. All right, so I'll be taking us through a process for us to do a job. Let's see how it works. So I'm going to be going to available jobs, and I'll be clicking on this Instagram job. It says view job. So let's view the job. Let's see how the job is. So it says what is expected from workers. So you're to read everything carefully. Read it very well. Okay. Then when you're through, you send your proof and you submit. And I want to wish everybody congratulations in this, because I know you start earning money from here. So for those people that want to send people to do jobs for them, you just come to this place where they wrote post job, you click on it, and then it will open up this way for you. You now select your category and you place your job. So it says if you place your job in wrong category, it will get rejected. So if you look at here, you're going to see sign up. So where they wrote sign up means you send them to sign up in your email. Okay. We have email submit only. We have simple sign up, complex sign up plus KYC. All right. Then there's Instagram. So these are the kind of things you can tell people to go and do in your Instagram page. There's WhatsApp and Telegram, the same thing, what you want people to do. There's YouTube. Okay, watch a video up to 3 minutes. All right. So this one as well is what you can send people to do. About YouTube, rate a video, comment, all this. Then you have the Twitter, you have your Facebook. Okay, so these are things you can tell people. So write an honest review. This one, mobile application, survey, okay, forms, then job summary, available positions, the amount, and then job title, what should be done, required proof of complete job, and then you post your job. Okay, so it says if you need a screenshot, your tax must pay at least 20 naira per task and per screenshot. All right, so make sure you read very well if you're sending people to do a job for you. Now, what I'm going to tell everyone is this platform is so amazing that you can send people to do job for you, and you as well, you can do job here. Now you can also go out and tell people, I can send people to sign up in your platform, I can send people to your Instagram, I can send people to your WhatsApp, to your Telegram, to your YouTube, to your Twitter. This is absolutely big business for you. So go look for people you can do these jobs for. Charge them. Come to this platform, know how much they are going to take from you, then charge the people, then come here, send people to go and do this job for them. And I tell you the truth, every day, minimum, if you do this job very well, minimum, you should be making 5,000 naira. Minimum. Okay? So I want to wish everybody good luck and see you in my next video. Bye for now.